Good afternoon, everyone. We are continuing with the chapter Important Cities. Already I have discussed the chapter, the first part, the first metropolitan city I have discussed, that is Delhi. So let us recapitulate first it. So Delhi is the capital of India and it is also known as Mini India because all the people from various parts of the country live here. They speak different culture and languages and they celebrate different festivals together. India Gate is located in New Delhi. Mahatma Gandhi Samadhi, then Red Fort, many important buildings like Qutub Minar, Jama Masjid, Lotus Temple, Birla Mandir. So these are located in New Delhi. The life is very fast and transport system is also very good for the daily passengers. They used metro rail, and it was earlier known as the Delhi is divided into two main parts like Old Delhi and New Delhi. So these all I have already discussed with you. So today I am going to discuss Mumbai. Mumbai is one of the most important metropolitan city in our country. Earlier it was known as Bombay. Earlier its name was Bombay. Now it is known as Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of the state Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Now, first one we are going to see location. Now, Mumbai faces the Arabian Sea. It is in the west coast of our country and facing the Arabian Sea. All the ships, they carry goods and they load and unload takes place in this area. Export and import from other countries also takes place from Mumbai. So there are many ports, harbors where ships come and they load the goods and they carry to other countries. Next is people and language. Mainly Marathi is spoken here. So Marathi is the main language of Mumbai, but as different people live here, so they speak different languages also. People from various parts of our country come to live here. Next is the government. All the government officials, chief ministers, governor, cabinet ministers, important officials, all they live in Mumbai. As because this is the capital state of the Maharashtra. The climate. The climate of Mumbai is neither too hot nor too cold. As because it is situated in the coast of Arabian Sea, the temperature is little bit hot and humid, and during summer it is little warm. During rainy season it rains a lot. Winters are quite pleasant. Winters are not too much cold. So in Mumbai mainly the climate is normal. Many industries are set up here. Mainly the cotton textile mills, large number of medicines, electronic goods, they are situated in Mumbai. A very important place named Bombay High. It is situated in the Arabian Sea, from where we collect the crude oil. It is a big and most important petroleum field of India. Many other industries are also running in Mumbai. Mumbai is also famous for tourists. There are many tourist attractions situated in Mumbai. There are beaches, monuments, buildings that attracts tourists from various parts of the world and from the country. Now, the International Airport of Mumbai is known as Chhatrapati International Airport of India. Beside this, there is Tata Fundamental Research Institute and Bhabha Atomic Research Center located in Mumbai. And the beautiful places, if you are talking about, then name of obviously Juhu Beach, Marine Drive, Nariman Point will come. They are very famous places. Kamla Nehru Park, SL World, especially for children. Then Shoe House, Hanging Garden, Elephanta Caves are also famous for their stone carving. Ganesh Chaturthi is one of the most important festivals celebrated here in Mumbai. It is celebrated with pomp and joy. In Mumbai, people generally take pav bhaji and bhel puri. Sikrand is a sweet dish, very famous in Mumbai. And Mumbai is also famous for Bollywood. Do you know Bollywood? The place where Hindi films are made. Okay, here many Hindi films are produced. So, it is famous for Bollywood also. And the transport system is also very good. Here we can find metro rail system and monorail system, which helps the daily passengers to move from one place to another very easily. So please go through the lesson, read the lesson, and if you have any doubt, clear it out in your online class. Thank you.